Hey there. Today I'm going to be washing my hair and I am going to use the RevAir Dryer. I've used this dryer only once before. I wanted to test it before I tried it again on camera, and I really like this dryer. The thing that I like the most is that it doesn't have a lot of heat on my hair, and it actually dried it. I don't know how, but it dried it as well as stretched it in such a fast time. I couldn't believe it. So I'm just shy of 2 days from 2 weeks from the last time I washed my hair and used the RevAir Dryer. I'm going to condition it first. I'm going to let this conditioner sit just on my locks, not so much closer to the root. I've been locked about a little over 4.5 years, so I'm pretty okay and safe with the conditioner. Letting this sit for 30 minutes. This is what my hair looks like after it has been washed and towel dried. And using the RevAir Dryer cuts down the drying time tremendously. It usually takes a full day for my hair to dry. Here I'm slowing down the video to actual speed so you can see how my hair was stretched. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds with a section of hair about that size. So it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to finish my whole head. And here I am showing you my whole head is dry and complete. And then I'm going to show you a comparison of when it was towel dried here versus how it is completely dry. And I'm quite pleased. Thanks for watching.